So guys, hapa niko Thika Road na to be specific niko hapa Kahawa Sukari. So kuna ka incident kama tokea hapa. Ukiangalia kuna hii maji, sio hii side nyingine, hii side ya KU kuna university. Kuna kamaji kama flop pale na kuna kagari kama kwamo. So if you look keenly, there's a small car paso there. There's a car there that got stuck yesterday. So this is the situation, and unfortunately, these people, the fire brigades, they came here in the morning, and their car has also got stuck. So they're trying to pull it out. So as you can see, they're trying to pull it out using this other one here. So as you can see clearly, this lorry over there, it was somewhere there, so it got stuck. So they're trying. You can see they're trying to put up a rope so that they're trying to connect them using a rope so that they can pull it out. So as you can see, that's actually the situation right here. So you can see today vehicles that should be going to to Ruiru are actually moved using the other side. You can see that side over there, vehicles are using the opposite route to the opposite lane. So they've been forced. Some of them who are courageous, who are just only got themselves in the highway, can manage to pass. As you can see, they are passing. Look at that. But unfortunately, some of them have feared, so that they've had to cross over under the tunnel, under the roundabout, so that they cross to this side. Many of them have feared to go over this water, but you can see some of them are just moving, and yeah. So this is actually the current situation that is happening here. These are the live coverage. So guys, if you're coming across this video today, this is Brian Adventures. Having done this, please you can actually go support me in my channel at Brian Adventures. Go there. I've done several videos showing how Thika Road actually looks like. So today I'm at exactly at the Kahawa Sukari, engine. Let me just do a zooming for you. I'm not using an iPhone, so maybe it might not be clear, but according to how I can manage to zoom, that is actually what's happening here. That is the situation that you can see here, and so it's really caused it has really caused a slight movement of activity, because many people who are actually who wanted to go to their job, their specific job, maybe some of them are using cars coming from let's say Ruiru, who are headed to to town. Many of them have not managed to come across this place, because you can see many of them have not managed to go across this place, because you can see where I'm standing at this pole here. So at this metal here, so you can see this is actually how this place looks like. You can actually see, look at that. Yeah, people are really full here. People are flooded. Yeah, and the fire brigade are trying to pull out one of their vehicles, because it got stuck here. So you can see that is actually what they're trying to just click on the camera to show you what's happening here, guys. If you're coming across this channel, guys, please ensure that you subscribe, you comment, tell me what you think about the video, about the place. So right now, this is actually the right now happening. I'm gonna be here until this water gets down. So I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna be here to just show you how this place looks. By the way, guys, today many of you are recording. Today I'm gonna appear in many of your screens, because many Kenyans here are actually passing here as they are doing recordings. So today many of you have recorded me. So I might go viral in many of your videos. Wow. I might go viral. So guys, you can see they have managed to pull it out. Here it is. So this vehicle was actually trying to also pull the car that you can see over there, but unfortunately it hasn't gone through. So as you can see, they've managed to pull out their vehicle, but unfortunately they haven't managed to to get the parcel out. But I know they're actually going to try to get it out, and all because this water will actually keep doing this, and until it will will float. It will reduce. That's why right now I'm seeing it actually trying to reduce. It's reducing, but we don't know where it's headed. But what I think should be done is that this road should be the drainage. The drainage system, I think, is the one that is failing. I think that what they have to do, they just have to look at the drainage, so that because what we know, this rain has been doing this for the past 1 week. It's been raining this way. So what I think they should do, they actually need to get this water out, because if the rain continues this way, it's actually gonna mess everything every day, because no activity will be going on as per the protocol. Many people have failed to attend their jobs because of this initiative of this flooding that has occurred. So as I was telling you a little bit earlier, as we began the video, right now you can see the main lane that is used to go to town, to Nairobi CBD from Ruiru. You can see this is actually how it's moving because of what's going on here. So that's actually what you can see that is going on here. So as you can see, they've actually managed to pull out one of their vehicles that got stuck. But still, it is still unfortunate that there's a small car over there that they haven't managed to pull out. As you can see, the farthest you can see, there's a vehicle there that got stuck yesterday. But unfortunately, they haven't managed, to pull it out. So I don't know what plans they're making about it. But you can see, as you can see behind me, it's really flooded. You can see behind me it's really flooded, and nothing is moving, everything is stuck. I don't know what they're gonna do, because if you can see there's a vehicle, there that has got stuck. I don't know what plans they're having about it. So otherwise, in the meantime, this is actually what's going on here. I think what I've noticed is this place, they really lack the proper drainage. You understand, the proper drainage? So I think that's the reason why it's causing all this. So guys, that is just about this place. I will keep updating you, but the full video, the full update is actually going to be on my channel at Brian Adventure. So you can actually go to my channel at Brian Adventure on YouTube and go see what exactly has been going on, because I've been live. I've been making videos here since in the morning, because I was here in the morning at exactly 6. I've been here, and this activity has been taking place from since 6 a.m. So that is just about what you can see here, and let me move a little bit closer to that side that I go show you exactly how that other part. But guys, in the meantime, please go subscribe to the channel. Go look at what other videos, because I've done several videos of different places. I was in Viga the other day. I also did a Ruiru, I also did a Kahawa. So right now I'm at Kahawa, but being specific, I'm at Kahawa Sukari. You know Kahawa Sukari? So this is where I am, and this is what is going on here. So guys, please consider going to my channel, support me there, subscribe my videos, comment on them, watch the end, tell me what you think about the place, and all shall be well. So let's keep updating each other. Tell us what you think. Tell us what's happening in your place. Is the activities the same, or you are lucky? We as in this part, we aren't lucky because of of what you're seeing right now. Because many of us who use this vehicle, we didn't manage to actually go to our workplaces because of what you're seeing. So let me just flip my camera. Go to my channel at Brian Adventures. You guys go look at more videos that I've done. I've done many of them are places, and you'll actually understand the reason why we're here this specific time. So if you go comment on the videos, subscribe, and turn on the notification, tell me what you think about the place, and all shall be well.